Hey everybody, I thought I'd come up to my loft and do some work on my model railway. It's been about a year since I've been up here. I thought the spiders would have taken over, but there are a couple, but I'm not afraid of those things. Don't mind them, they're spiders are me mates. Yeah, so I thought I'd just come up and do a few changes to my model railway layout. I've added some extra lines in the depot area, so I can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, about 15 locos on my shed. And I've got about 120. So, yeah, that's how mad it is. But yeah, I thought I'd just come up, do some work. And in fact, I've been up here all day because I've been building this bridge at the end of my platform. So now it's got a road bridge with a ramp going down into the platform. There we go, Caldford Central. Wonder what that sounds like. Yeah, it's about 1,000 miles away from finishing it. Like, it's got loads of painting to do, some filler, some decoration for the ramp, brickwork and that. Got a couple of cars on top. Got a road put down, road markings, pavements. So yeah, a long way from finishing. So as you can see, my favourite era is BR Blue and Intercity livery. I like BR Blue and Intercity Executive livery. But I have got a couple of large logo locos and rail freight large logo as well. It sort of falls into that era, doesn't it? So 58 007 hauling some MGRs. In the background we've got 31 111, heavily weathered. Looks like it's rusting away, doesn't it? It's really good weathering on that. Hauling in parcels train. Right, just to go through the list for you here, which is on show, which will be different every time I do a video like this. We've got class 108 DMU. We've got 47404 Hadrian. That's hauling 86 220 on a passenger train, Mark 1s and Mark 2s even. Well, Mark 2 train with a Mark 1 buffet in the front. We've got parcels DMU. 25222, an ex-Cardiff machine. Used to work Cardiff Cruise. 2128. 2145. 47535. University of Gary Lineker. Yeah, I don't know. Say no more. 25279. 40145. 27012. Few soldiers on shed. 25095. 45053 split head code. Some vehicles. Ford Transit and Land Rover. There's some more cars over there. Just for scenery, really. We've got a burnt out coach rusting away. Departmental coach. Inside the shed we've got the class 25 and 37114 and the clock that's only right twice a day. Yes, you can see an 08 shunter there. 08419. There is another shunter behind there. Let's see if I can get a shot of it. There it is. 08507 is heavily weathered. Looks the part though. Beyond the bridge we have railway station, and I always like to put something mental in the in the shot. Carlsford Central. Look, I wonder what that sounds like. A place where we used to see quite a few of these 33s or Mark 1s on the Cardiff Portsmouth Harbours. Those were the days. Tremendous. Just to add to the lunacy. Two-car EMU, Southern Region. At the other end of the station, we've got 73 105 pulling a couple of polybog wagons. Meanwhile, we have 47035 waiting his next turn of duty in the centre road of the station. Or what I should say is up relief centre road. Oh, we got another 47 behind it. And a pacer. Yeah, don't laugh. Loads of people waiting patiently for the guard to open the doors. That's the beauty about model railway. You can make it as imaginative as you want. So I got stuff on my layout here from all regions, basically. So there we go. Pacers 47, Southern Region EMUs are 73, 33s, 58, 31 is the EMU, some more 47s, electric, 25s, loads of soldiers, 20s, 27, 40, 45, and some 08s. How cool is that? Thanks for watching.